Hey, this is Matthew with Another World Terraria, and today we're unboxing Han Aquatics. As you may know, if you follow my channel or if you've checked out some of my other videos lately, I'm getting into Wabi Kusa and Kusamono and stuff like that. So what I'm doing is I'm stocking up on plants, like aquarium plants and so forth, that I can grow immersed so that I can get them ready to be used in that. As always, very well packaged and nice. Han Aquatics is great. Ordered from them a number of times. Pretty much always happy with what I get. Here's a cool one. This one is a Cryptocoryne. This is Crypt Affinis Metallic Red. That is beautiful. If this was grown submersed, which it definitely has been grown submersed, these leaves are going to die anyway because I'm going to transition it to immersed growth. So it's grown underwater, I'm going to grow above water. So all these leaves are just going to die anyway, but I'm just trying to show you how magnificent that is. You can see the red. I'm hoping you can see the coloration. It's just unbelievable. That is a beautiful plant. Really nice. Okay, this is Ludwigia Red Hybrid. So this is a hybrid, and the color is unbelievable on this. This is just magnificent. Look at that color. Mind-blowing. And in person, you can't see it, but in person it almost has an iridescence to it. It's just so unbelievable. So, that is super nice. I'm just going to lay that, on some substrate horizontally, and it'll all start to grow up. It'll root along the stem, and then more growth points will come up from it. So that's how I'm going to grow that bad boy. Alright, this is Rotala Mini Butterfly. Pink and red colors, really bright. Beautiful. Not sure how it'll look grown immersed, but we shall see. This one was sold as Hydrocotyle sibthorpioides. I don't know if that is for sure what this is. There's a lot of different hydrocotyle species out there floating around, and they're not always ID'd correctly. It's hard to say. I'm getting a lot of different species of plants, and as you can see, just like a stem here, stem there. What I want to do is just try a bunch of stuff immersed, see how it grows, see how it looks, and if I like the way it grows immersed, then I can use it in the Wabi Kusa. By the way, if you're enjoying this video and you like to see all these cool plants and unboxings, go ahead and subscribe to my channel where you'll get lots more of that and other cool things about plants and terrariums. This right here is Rotala Pearl Mini Type 1. So this is a really interesting, super tiny plant. Very odd. Very, very odd. This one I think is going to be really cool grown immersed. So I thought I'd give that a try. And here we go. This is a micro Anubias called Anubias pangolino. I don't know where the term pangolino comes from. It might be the locale where it was discovered, or it might be some kind of hybrid, or who knows what, but that is a super cool tiny little plant. I can't wait to grow that one out. Go ahead and watch some of my other unboxing videos if you'd like, and have a great day.